The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage represents a significant evolution of this luxury sports car, emphasizing both performance and refinement. Here's an in-depth look at its key features, design, and performance. Design and interior. The exterior design of the 2025 Vantage is both bold and evolutionary, with a larger front grille and slightly wider and longer dimensions compared to its predecessor. The interior sees substantial upgrades, including a redesigned steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster, and a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. These updates enhance usability while retaining the luxury and sophistication expected from Aston Martin. Features like a surround view camera, wireless charging, and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard performance and powertrain. The 2025 Vantage features a reworked 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 656 horsepower and 590 pound-foot of torque. This power allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the Vantage offers a thrilling yet controlled driving experience. The chassis improvements, including stiffer suspension and advanced dampers, significantly enhance handling without compromising ride comfort. Custom Michelin Pilot Sport 5S tires further improve grip and reduce understeer by 12%, driving dynamics. While the Vantage is not purely a track-focused car, its sharp steering, agile chassis, and visceral power delivery make it an engaging option for spirited driving on winding roads. The adaptive suspension system, shared with the DB12 but specially tuned for the Vantage, strikes a balance between comfort in daily use and precision in performance driving. However, road and wind noise can be noticeable at higher speeds. Practicality. The Vantage is designed primarily for 2 passengers, with a trunk capacity of 12.2 cubic feet, enough for weekend luggage. Fuel economy, while secondary in a performance car, stands at a combined 23.3 miles per gallon under WLTP standards, making it reasonably efficient for its class verdict. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is a refined blend of luxury and performance, ideal for those seeking a sports car with a distinct personality and cutting-edge design. While it's not a dedicated track car, it excels as a stylish grand tourer with serious performance credentials. Pricing. The base price for the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage starts at $194,400, reflecting a significant increase over previous models. Additional features and customization options can drive the price well into the mid-$200,000 range. Despite its high cost, the Vantage competes well with rivals like the Porsche 911 Turbo and Mercedes-AMG GT, offering more power and distinct British styling.